Step 1. Hardware connection. Connect to the AC power supply to power up the switch and wait for the device to start to complete. Insert the optical fiber module, and then connect the optical fiber cable. Use a network cable to connect the switch network port to the computer, and the hardware connection is completed. Step 2. Log into the device web page. The computer sets the static IP 192.168.0x network segment. Enter the default address in the browser 192.168.0.1. Login to the web management page. Default account password admin or admin. Step 3. Modify the switch LAN IP. Entry path maintenance and GT IP management. IP type selection static. Switch IP 192.168.22.18, same network segment as the actual local area network. The gateway fills in the address of the superior router. Click Apply to save. Step 4. Log in again and test online. The computer is changed to DHCP to obtain the IP address. The browser uses the new IP 192.168.22.18 to log in again. Go to Diagnosis and GT. Network utility is greater than ping. Enter 8.8.8.8 to perform the ping test. If it can be pinged, it means that the device is connected to the internet normally.